Hey, good evening, Jeff. Well, being cold and being wet is one of the worst combinations, but I wanted to get out of the car to show you those conditions, which were wild down in Hamburg today. This is a whole different outfit from what I had on earlier. You can see behind us, the Skyway remains closed because just south of us, it got really intense. Massive waves crashing into the shores of Lake Erie Monday. You can see those waves that are coming up here on the shores of Lake Erie in Hamburg, and that BMW has been here. Someone who works at the Hoax restaurant right here says the windows have been down in that vehicle since 7 a.m. So 5 hours of getting pummeled, destroyed by those waves. The car filled with lake water. Police tell us it was stolen out of Buffalo. Kevin Gannon was one of many who stopped by to film.
Why short sleeves?
Either I'm a real brave or I'm a knucklehead.
Staying in the parking lot of Hoax as vehicles became encased in ice as winds, waves, and cold intensified into Monday afternoon. Branches, grass, and electric lines all weighed down by a thick layer of ice.
It's interesting. It's Buffalo.
And look at the lake water level difference that 24 hours makes in Buffalo. This is the Miss Buffalo 2 on Sunday afternoon. By Monday afternoon, the ship's crew tells us it rose 8 feet due to a lake seiche.